here. I'm an artist and an art teacher, and also I like to garden and do things around the house and try stuff out. And I've been doing some yard work lately, or wanting to. I got myself a weed eater from Harbor Freight, and also let me show you, a leaf blower. The leaf blower, I did a product review video on that one and I really liked it. That one was on sale. This one is on super duper sale. So it is, if you can see the box, it's been a little damaged and it was opened, so it only cost $14.98. I have 5 days. I got it last night. Actually, my smart nephews got it, and we have 5 days to try it out and return it if it's not working well. So I'm gonna just open it up, see what it looks like, and give it a try. I got this because there was a video of somebody else reviewing it and they were pleased with it, so I'm hoping I feel the same way. And for $14.98, you can't go wrong. Let's try it out. So here we are with the box. As you can see, it's been opened, and it is an open box. So it's from Harbor Freight, which already has good deals on tools, and it's $14.98, and I have 5 days to return it. So I am all about a good deal. Open it up with my one hand. And my nephew already got some more string to go with it, but I think there might be already some in here, so we'll see. Okay, so let's see what we have here. There we go. All right, here is this part, and the little guard, and the instructions. So let's see. Here's this. So this has a little knob here so you can set it to whatever position is comfortable for you. And this looks like it is for adjusting the height. I might have to read the instructions on that. And then here's this end. And there's a little release knob here, which I learned from that YouTube video. So you can open this. There we go. Okay, you push on this, but it's not just a little knob, it's actually holding that lid on. So you got to push it in all the way. And then the whole thing slides out. And there is some string in here already. And again, this was opened before. So who knows what they did with it. So I'm going to figure this out and then come back. Okay. So here we have this put together. I did not figure it out. My nephew, Jacob, is very good at figuring out things. He put it together for me, and I still have to put the end on. But once I learn how to do it, I can do another video showing you how to do it. And I do know that this little knob here will help you extend more string out if you need to do it manually. This, if you unscrew this, you can make it shorter or longer. And then again, Jacob and Wyatt figured that out, my two nephews. Then if you pull on this, you see how it's got a little tension springy thing on it? You can turn the whole, if you do that, you pull on that, it turns the whole head so you could do edging. So that's what that is for. And I'm sure if I had read the directions, I could have figured that out, but I've got experts here. So now let's put this on. And let's see. 2, Okay, you can see that this is a little bit of an oval shape here. We'll fit the oval on there. Get these little guys through here. Can you see what I'm doing? Oh, also there's instructions on there for the string. Okay, put that on. Get these through here. Line this up with the flat part of this. It goes this way. There's a little notch right there, and that lines up. Then let's see, how does it hold in place? Oh, it looks like maybe there were supposed to be screws. There is screws, okay. So here's screws, and we're gonna put those in there to hold that together. And then we'll come back. Here is the screws. That's the only screws that you need for it. And my nephew Wyatt is helping me do this. And one last screw. And then we get to try it out. We're in business. Thank you, Wyatt.
You're welcome.
All right, so now we're all together and we're going to plug her in and see how it works. So we have it all put together now. I'm about to plug it in, and actually Wyatt's plugging it in. We're going to try it, and all the pieces were there. The box was kind of beat up, but everything was in there that we need, and we're going to try it out, make sure it works. If it doesn't work, we have 5 days, I guess 4 now, to return it. But it was, like I said, it was $14.98, which the boys said was half off. So it was originally, what was it?
It was $28.99.
It was originally $28.99, and if this works, that'll be a great deal because it's $14.98 now. So we are going to give it a try now. And if you like this video or you find it useful, please let me know in the comments, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Here it is. And it's plugged in, and we're going to try it on. Plants growing in my, I have a lot of shade, so I don't really have much plants that like sunlight because we have too many big trees that block the light. But I have this pathway, and then in here is leaves, which I don't know, I might turn into mulch or plant more things that like shade. But those are little saplings there, and I'm going to test it out on that and see how it works. All right, so I'm about to push, I think this is the handle. I'm going to push the handle and see. Oh, I think so. All right, let's try it. Front yard. Thank you to my cameraman Wyatt. And so I'm gonna try the backyard a little bit. My yard is very sandy, so I don't have a lot of grass, but I do have some, and I feel like I can just weed whack the yard instead of mow it because I really don't have that much grass. But you can see here kind of the ivy's coming out a little bit much, and then it's kind of overtaking there, so I'm going to try some of that and some of this where there's more little saplings and little bits of grass. So I'm going to try that. far, it has been great. It is just knocking down that ivy, which is super thick, and it's not hard. I just kind of hold it against my body like you saw, so the weight is close to me. None of it's getting kicked back towards me, and it's knocking down all that ivy quickly. So it's good. I'm gonna try to finish that last little bit and then show you what that looks like. Okay, here we go. So I think if I push this, I can pull out the string. Yeah. I wonder if I used up the string. I'm gonna do this where you... All right, here's what we figured out so it doesn't unplug this time. Take this through, hook it on there. Then it's not gonna unplug if you accidentally step on the cord or something. Thanks, Wyatt.
You're welcome.
And I'm gonna trim up that edge. Oh, it's pretty dang good, doesn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Get these long pieces out, get this last little bit, and we'll call it a successful test. Hi.
Looks great.
Not too bad. $14.98. So I got all of that taken down. I'll probably go in and maybe do some raking or leaf blowing and then take one more pass, but I'm very excited. Now I got a little border here. And I got a little border and I didn't have to pay a landscaper, and it only cost me $14.98. Plus I got the 100-foot long cord from Harbor Freight also. That was $27, but that reaches to all the corners of my yard, and it also works with the leaf blower, and I also have a couple extras if I need them. But as far as getting around, having an electric tool, it's working very well. Very pleased. It even took down little tiny saplings, so I would say thumbs up. If you have a chance to get something that's an open box and they let you try it out, and if it doesn't work, bring it back, I'd say it's worth it. Even if you have to pay full price for that weed eater or weed whacker, however you want to say it, I would still say it'd be worth the $30, but for 15 bucks, it definitely. And now I'm going to get some yard work done, and I kind of wish I had bought it a while ago. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Like I said, if you enjoy this or found it useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all later. Love ya. Bye. Mwah.